In an island filled with infinite wonders to explore, where would you start? To see these two beauties, all you need in your itinerary is a few hours. Experience immediate distressing as you see the falls at a distance from the Ahaspokuwa Arch Bridge built in the 1900s. Whether you take the path upwards or downwards to touch water so pure, you'll always be close to the city limits. So, relax, you're on time. Now that you've arrived, stay a while and explore all the wonders these waterfalls bring to life. Western Province Tourism, Sri Lanka. Your holiday begins.